Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Have you ever heard the word tokens mentioned in generative AI discussions and wondered what they are? This video will explain exactly that. Tokens are fundamental to how large language models process information. Understanding them is key to grasping how AI works with language. Simply put, a token is a small unit of text that a large language model can easily understand and process. Unlike words, which are distinct units of meaning, tokens can be parts of words, whole words, or even punctuation. Let's look at some examples to clarify how words can be broken down into tokens. Take the word Valentine's Day. It can be broken down into two tokens, Valentine and Day. This breakdown helps the model process complex inputs more efficiently. Similarly, joyful can be tokenized as joy and full. This microsegmentation is crucial for the model's comprehension. So one word can be made up of multiple tokens. While some words are single tokens, many are not. Consider I'd like. This two-word phrase actually contains three tokens. I, did, representing would, and like. The process of splitting input text into tokens is called tokenization. It's important to note that different models have different tokenization mechanisms, meaning how they split inputs into tokens can vary significantly. The specific tokenization method used can greatly impact the performance and results of the AI model. Understanding tokens is fundamental to understanding how generative AI processes and generates language.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.